Good evening. My name's Jason Debley. Tonight's whiskey review is going to be from America, Knob Creek. Right there, there's the bottle. Kentucky Straight Bourbon. Alcohol by volume, 50%. Age statement, 9 years. That's a lot of time for bourbon. 9 years is, the reason it's just 9 years, in the Scotch world, like in northern Scotland, like the Orkney Islands where Highland Park is, or any part of Scotland, the Angel's Share is, it's measurable over, say, 18 years or 21 years. But the Angel's Share in Kentucky, where it's much hotter, warmer climate, you're going to have the equivalent Angel's Share in a mere 8 years, 9 years. So a 9-year-old bourbon is an old bourbon, and it's a premium bourbon. Knob Creek is expensive by bourbon standards. It's about twice the price of your entry-level bourbon. Still, it's available for like $50. Not a lot of money when you compare it to entry-level single malt scotches like Glenfiddich 12 or Glenlivet 12. In fact, I think of bourbon, and I kind of think of Rodney Dangerfield, that American comedian who used to joke, no respect, no respect. Bourbon, for a long time, didn't get a lot of respect. The category has improved in the last, say, 10 years. The producers like Beam Global and others have put a lot of effort into improving the spirit, and they've succeeded a lot. Bourbon is a category. There are 3 key grains. You've got rye, corn, and barley, and the corn must be a minimum of 51% in order to be called Kentucky Straight Bourbon. You got to use American white oak. It's got to be virgin oak, and usually the bourbon producers, not usually, they definitely do have a strain of jug yeast that's unique to their distillery operation that will impart their unique flavor. So, I won't get too technical. Let's try some Knob Creek. Stopper on this is not cork, it's kind of some kind of silicone. I'm okay with that. It's happening in the wine world. I'm going to try this neat. I like it neat, which is a testament to how well the wood management, the quality of grain used, the quality of water, and the blenders work. So on the nose, it's floral, it's big yellow dandelions, bit of mint, rye, oranges. It's a sophisticated nose. And I think the nose tells a lot about a spirit. If the nose is bad, often the whiskey is disappointing. So, on the palate, you're greeted by sweet corn, maple sugar, creme brulee. It's drying as it moves across the palate. Burnt caramel. You've got some charcoal, some big white oak. It's good. And on the finish, you're left with ginger. It's kind of minty and drying. And again, that charcoal, that virgin oak that's been charred so well. And then in goes the spirit. Knob Creek is sophisticated and friendly like the good people of the American South. I'm really impressed with how this is 100 proof, but I can drink it straight. I don't know if that's a testament to how good the whiskey is or a testament to my experience drinking whiskey. I think it's a bit of both, but seriously, this whiskey is high quality. I mean, 100 proof, and it doesn't need water. Maybe not everybody's going to drink it that way, but this is really good. Scotch whiskey at 100 proof? Whoa. I can't think of any that I would drink straight. I would always add water. I find with Scotch whiskey, you get over 46%, you need the water. Not here. Highly recommended. So, Knob Creek, take little sips. It's powerful, but it's gentle and welcoming at the same time. It's a robust flavor profile of creme brulee, caramel, leather, spices, charcoal, big oak. It's really good. Widely available. You know, the only thing I'll say negative about Knob Creek is they write small batch. There's nothing small batch about this. This is mass produced on an industrial scale. It's everywhere. But you know what? It's really good. Cheers. Thank you for tuning in. Take care.